In this time-lapse video, I focus on wax resist. In this video, I use a simple sponge brush to apply ceramic pottery wax to the foot of several pieces that recently came out the kiln. Wax resist is liquid at room temperature. Wax resist is a method of block coating a ceramic surface to ensure no glaze gets stuck on the foot or other undesirable areas of a piece during application. Any glaze that gets on a wax-resisted area will be very easy to remove prior to firing. However, wax resist can only be removed with temperatures of 200 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. If applied to greenware and the clay surface is wiped back, it can result in a raised relief surface. The last thing to know about wax resist is that it may not adhere to a vitrified surface very well, as the surface can't absorb the moisture from the wax as quickly as bisqueware can. If you enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing to get notified when I upload any new videos. Thank you for watching.